So yeah, the video did not save, guys. I had to come back on live because I took too long. So blend that. Instagram has a time limit on everything. This is highlight. It's supposed to highlight your face. It's supposed to be the Queen Naija look. Of it like that. It took forever. It took forever, and I'm sorry. Okay. But yeah, period. I'm not going out, and I look like I'm going to the club. Like, I literally look like I'm going to the club right now. I look like I'm going to sleep. Oh, I know, y'all. And so my hair is naturally curly, but I don't want to wet my whole head. So, because it's just too much to deal with. But she has like the little bun in the back of her head, and boom, boom, boom. And she has like the little baby hairs. I don't know if I want to do the whole head.